Ladies and gentlemen, is a great effort, and I therefore urge primary school administrators and teachers handling early year grades to fully utilize both Tusome and CBC materials for the benefit of our children. At the same time, I appeal to all education stakeholders to prudently utilize the distributed materials so that they do not age before their expected lifespan. I'd like to also inform you that the system that we're using for the enrollment of our Form 1 students is working very well. We're very satisfied with the registration as far as the national schools are concerned, the extra county schools are concerned, and the county schools are concerned. And now we are urging the sub-county schools as well as the private schools to quickly upload the information on registration and enrollment so that we can capture all this information in NEMIS.